Are you thinking about moving to Fairfax and you want to know more about it? Well, I am going to take you on a downtown tour of Fairfax. So let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're thinking about moving to Marin, reach out to me because I love to help people just like you make a smart move. Now, without further ado.
All right, here I am approaching Fairfax. This is Sir Francis Drake Boulevard. I passed through San Rafael and San Anselmo to get to this location. And I'm going to be turning right here and then onto Broadway. And then I am going to be starting my little tour of downtown Fairfax on Bolinas Road. Fairfax is actually located 3.25 miles west-northwest of San Rafael. This beautiful park with the tall redwoods is called Bolinas Park. Lots of people like to come down here to picnic, just as they did in the past. Yes, it's been said that this was an area where the Miwok people considered sacred. And later on, when there was a railroad track, people used to come from San Francisco to Fairfax to picnic in the beautiful air in this location. Now we're going to take our little walking tour and head down Bolinas Road on our way to Broadway, kind of the main downtown area in Fairfax. There's lots of places to eat down here. There's great coffee. The population was about 7,600 people in the 2020 census. The town of Fairfax was named after Charles Snowden Fairfax, who came to California for the gold rush and was later a member of the California State Assembly. The property of the town that eventually got the name of Fairfax was given to Charles Fairfax as a wedding gift in 1855. Pretty nice wedding gift. In 1861, the last political duel occurred here in Fairfax. It was between Daniel Showalter and Charles Piercy. Both were former assemblymen in the state legislature. They decided to settle some dispute at Lord Fairfax's home. Fairfax apparently provided lunch to both men and tried to talk them out of it, but they did it anyway, and Snowalter killed Piercy. This is Fairfax Theater. It first opened in March of 1930. There were 1,504 seats, all on one floor with one movie screen. It was actually designed for both movies and vaudeville. By June of 1938, it was operated by the Fox West Coast Theaters and converted into a 3-screen theater in December of 1981. Okay, I've turned around and I'm heading back down Broadway from that movie theater. You can see over here is the Fairfax station. And we just passed the coffee roastery, great place for coffee. And you can see there are more shops and more restaurants down Broadway in Fairfax. And now I am turning the corner here and headed to the Fairfax Pavilion. But first, this mural, and up these steps is a baseball field. It's the West Marin Little League field at Contratti Park. I'm going to go back down the steps and go through here to the parking lot on my way to the pavilion way back there. But first, what's this? My goodness. There's now a little skate park here. Not quite as elaborate as others, but this is the Fairfax Pavilion. It houses the Fairfax Recreation and Community Services Department, the Artist in Residence Studio, and the Fairfax Theater Company. And lots of events are hosted here. There are youth sports. I have been here many times for futsal games with my son and my daughter. There are also theatrical performances here, gymnastics, festivals, weddings, birthday parties. But what a history! This pavilion was built in 1921, and in the late 1880s, as I mentioned before, people came to picnic in this park right out here. But the building behind it, the pavilion, it soon housed dancing. Flappers in the 20, cabaret groups during the Depression, big band roller skate events in the 40s, and later it was part of the music scene, with big name people playing there, like Jefferson Airplane, the Grateful Dead, and Janis Joplin. What a history that Fairfax has. Okay, we're gonna do these last little shops that were on the other side of the street from the one that I started with. And then that completes our tour of downtown Fairfax.
And if you'd like your own MLS search that would include properties that are off market, again, reach out to me. I can set you up. And last, if you would like a market report on Fairfax delivered to your email weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, let me know. Email me and tell me what city you would like that information on. Have a great day.